We'll be covering the installation of Rustbuster's upper rear shock mount for the YJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Remove the wheel. Remove your gas tank and its components and plug all remaining tubes to reduce fume leakage. Place the tank safely outside your work area. Step 3. Using two 19mm sockets, remove the lower strut bolt connecting the shock to the leaf spring first. Next, remove the upper strut bolt connecting the shock to the OEM upper rear shock mount and remove the shock. Depending on how you intend to cut, clean the cut zones free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Trace around the welds of the OEM part, marking its location for the replacement. Step 4. Begin cutting away the upper rear shock mount, as close to the frame as possible and without damaging it. Remove any remaining material until the frame rail is flush. Step 5. Check to see if it rests evenly on the frame rail and with no gaps. Continue to grind away any remaining debris. Step 6. Prepare your weld zones by clearing away any rust or debris, revealing bare metal. If you wish to cover the entire part, coat it in a weldable primer or other inflammable rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Tack weld or C-clamp the part into place. If your vehicle's ride height has been modified, confirm the fitment and alignment of the shock prior to welding, as it may be different and require additional modifications. Step 7. Remove any potential fire hazards. 100% weld around all edges. Step 8. If you chose not to in Step 6, coat the work area and part with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Step 9. Begin reassembling your vehicle by starting with the included upper strut bolt and your shock. Reassemble the lower strut bolt and shock. Reinstall your gas tank, cords, and tubes. Reinstall your wheels. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.